Reading Practice Unit 2. Let's learn English. My name is Jackson. My first name is Willard and my middle name is Ross. I was born in November 1937 in a small town near here. My native language is English. I speak a little Spanish, a little German, and a little Japanese. I don't speak these languages very well. I often make mistakes when I speak these languages. My wife's name is Jane Jackson. Her family name was Smith. My wife's native language is English, but she speaks several languages. She speaks French exceptionally well. She speaks Spanish and Portuguese too. She speaks a little Arabic. Her father's native language is English, but her mother's native language is French. My wife's father is an engineer and so am I. My wife's father was in the hospital last year and so was I. He was in the hospital for 3 weeks during the month of April, and I was in the hospital for 2 weeks during the month of July. My name is Jackson.
Nama saya Jackson.
My first name is Willard and my middle name is Ross.
Nama pertama saya adalah Willard dan nama pertengahan saya adalah Ross.
I was born in November 1937 in a small town near here.
Saya lahir pada bulan November 1937 di kota kecil dekat sini.
My native language is English.
Bahasa nasional saya adalah bahasa Inggris.
I speak a little Spanish, a little German, and a little Japanese.
Saya berbicara bahasa Spanyol sedikit-sedikit, bahasa Jerman dan bahasa Jepang sedikit-sedikit.
I don't speak these languages very well.
Saya tidak berbicara bahasa-bahasa itu dengan sangat baik.
I often make mistakes when I speak these languages.
Saya sering membuat kesalahan ketika saya berbicara bahasa-bahasa itu.
My wife's name is Jane Jackson.
Nama istri saya adalah Jane Jackson.
Her family name was Smith.
Nama keluarganya adalah Smith.
My wife's native language is English, but she speaks several languages.
Bahasa nasional istri saya adalah bahasa Inggris, tetapi dia berbicara beberapa bahasa.
She speaks French exceptionally well.
Dia berbicara bahasa Prancis dengan sangat baik.
She speaks Spanish and Portuguese too. She speaks a little Arabic. Dia berbicara bahasa Spanyol dan Portugis, serta sedikit bahasa Arab. Her father's native language is English.
Bahasa nasional ayahnya adalah bahasa Inggris.
But her mother's native language is French.
Tetapi bahasa nasional ibunya adalah bahasa Prancis.
My wife's father is an engineer and so am I.
Ayah istri saya adalah seorang insinyur dan saya juga.
My wife's father was in the hospital last year and so was I. Ayah istri saja di rumah sakit tahun lalu dan saja juga. He was in the hospital for 3 weeks during the month of April.
Dia berada di rumah sakit selama 3 minggu pada bulan April.
And I was in the hospital for 2 weeks during the month of July.
Dan saya di rumah sakit selama 2 minggu dalam bulan Juli.
Do you speak Japanese, Mrs. Brown?
Apakah kamu berbicara bahasa Jepang, Nyonya Brown?
Yes, I do. I speak a little Japanese. Yasaja berbakara bahasa Jepang sedikit. Does your husband speak Japanese too?
Apakah suamimu berbicara bahasa Jepang juga?
Yes, a little. Mr. Brown speaks a little Japanese.
Ya, sedikit-sedikit. Tuan Brown berbicara bahasa Jepang sedikit-sedikit.
How well do you know French, Mrs. Brown?
Sampai mana kamu mengerti bahasa Prancis, Nyonya Brown?
Pretty well, but I have a lot of trouble with spelling.
Sangat baik, tetapi saya punya banyak kesulitan dengan ejaan.
How many languages do you speak?
Kamu berbicara berapa banyak bahasa?
Do you speak Japanese, Mrs. Brown?
Apakah kamu berbicara bahasa Jepang, Nyonya Brown?
Yes, I do. I speak a little Japanese.
Ya, saya berbicara bahasa Jepang sedikit-sedikit.
Does your husband speak Japanese too?
Apakah suamimu berbicara bahasa Jepang juga?
Yes, a little. Mr. Brown speaks a little Japanese.
Ya, sedikit-sedikit. Brown berbicara bahasa Jepang sedikit-sedikit.
How well do you know French, Mrs. Brown?
Sampai mana kamu mengerti bahasa Prancis, Nyonya Brown?
Pretty well, but I have a lot of trouble with spelling.
Sangat baik, tetapi saya punya banyak kesulitan dengan ejaan.
How many languages do you speak?
Kamu berbicara berapa banyak bahasa?
Speak for languages. How many do you speak?
Saya berbicara 4 bahasa. Berapa bahasa kamu berbicara?
I speak 3 languages. I don't speak Japanese.
Saya berbicara 3 bahasa. Saya tidak berbicara bahasa Jepang.
What language do you speak?
Anda bisa bicara bahasa apa?
I speak French, Greek, Arabic, and English.
Saya berbicara bahasa Prancis, Yunani, Arab, dan Inggris.
Do you read and write those languages?
Apakah kamu membaca dan menulis bahasa-bahasa itu?
Yes, I do, but sometimes make mistakes in spelling.
Ya, tetapi saya terkadang membuat kesalahan dalam ejaan.
So do I.
Demikian juga saya.
What's your friend's native language?
Apa bahasa nasional temanmu?
His native language is Greek.
Bahasa nasionalnya adalah bahasa Yunani.
Does he speak English too?
Apakah dia berbicara bahasa Inggris juga?
Oh yes, he speaks English fluently.
Oh ya, dia berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan lancar.
My friend's native language is French.
Bahasa nasional teman saya adalah bahasa Prancis.
How well does your friend know English?
Sejauh mana temanmu mengerti bahasa Inggris?
Pretty well, he has trouble with pronunciation.
Lumayan baik, dia kesulitan dalam pengucapan.
How many languages do you speak?
Anda menguasai berapa bahasa?
I speak 2 languages fluently.
Saya berbicara 2 bahasa dengan lancar.
Your friend's native language is Japanese, isn't it?
Bahasa nasional temanmu adalah bahasa Jepang, bukan?
Yes, it is, but he speaks English very well.
Ya, benar. Tapi dia berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan sangat baik.
Does he speak English with a Japanese accent?
Apakah dia berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan aksen Jepang?
Yes, he does. He has a Japanese accent.
Ya, benar, dia memiliki aksen Jepang.
My friend's native language is Spanish.
Bahasa asli teman saya adalah bahasa Spanyol.
Does your friend speak English too?
Apakah temanmu juga berbicara bahasa Inggris?
Yes, he does. He speaks English pretty well. Ya benar, dia berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan cukup baik. Does he have much trouble with pronunciation?
Apakah dia mengalami banyak kesulitan dalam pengucapan?
Yes, he does. And he has a lot of trouble with spelling.
Ya, benar. Dan dia memiliki banyak masalah dengan ejaan.
My friend has a lot of trouble with spelling too.
Temanku juga sering kesulitan mengeja.
Does your friend make a lot of mistakes in English?
Apakah temanmu sering membuat kesalahan dalam bahasa Inggris?
Once in while he makes mistakes.
Sesekali dia melakukan kesalahan.
Can your friend speak Spanish and Portuguese too?
Apakah temanmu juga bisa berbahasa Spanyol dan Portugis?
No, he can't. He speaks Japanese, English, dan Chinese.
Tidak, dia tidak bisa. Dia berbicara bahasa Jepang, Inggris, dan Mandarin.
Let's have some coffee, Fine. I'd like to have some. Let's sit down.
Ayo kita minum kopi. Bill Fine, aku juga mau. Ayo kita duduk.
You sit down over, and I'll sit here.
Kamu duduk di sebelah, dan aku akan duduk di sini.
I'd like to have a cup of coffee and a piece of pie.
Saya ingin secangkir kopi dan sepotong kue buah pastel.
I'll have a cup of coffee and piece of cake.
Saya akan memesan secangkir kopi dan sepotong kue.
Who are those people over there?
Siapa orang-orang di sana itu?
The tall man on the left is George.
Pria jangkung di sebelah kiri adalah George.
He speaks French, doesn't he?
Dia berbicara bahasa Prancis, bukan?
Yes, his mother tongue is French. He speaks English.
Ya, bahasa ibunya adalah bahasa Prancis. Dia berbicara bahasa Inggris.
Your parents speak French, don't they, John?
Orang tuamu berbicara bahasa Prancis, kan, John?
Yes, they do. Mom and Dad speaks French perfectly.
Ya, benar. Ibu dan ayah berbicara bahasa Prancis dengan sempurna.
My mother and father speak Spanish very well.
Ibu dan ayah saya berbicara bahasa Spanyol dengan sangat baik.
Who are those people over there?
Siapa orang-orang di sana itu?
Mr. and Mrs. Jones and Mr. and Mrs. Smith are there too.
Tuan dan Nyonya Jones. Tuan dan Nyonya Smith juga ada di sana.
Mr. Jones can speak Spanish exceptionally well, can't he?
Pak Jones bisa berbicara bahasa Spanyol dengan sangat baik, bukan?
Yes, he can. Mrs. Jones speaks Spanish well too.
Ya, dia bisa. Nyonya Jones juga fasih berbahasa Spanyol.
Does Mr. Smith speak Spanish or French?
Apakah Tuan Smith berbicara bahasa Spanyol atau Prancis?
Does Mr. Jones speak French? Apaka Pak Jones berbicara bahasa Prancis. Do you know? Apaka anda tahu? Yes, he does. He speaks French extremely well.
Ya, benar dia berbicara bahasa Prancis dengan sangat baik.
Do you know how to speak Spanish?
Apakah kamu tahu cara berbicara bahasa Spanyol?
No, I don't, but I know a little French.
Tidak, saya tidak bisa, tapi saya tahu sedikit bahasa Prancis.
Do you study French in school?
Apakah kamu belajar bahasa Prancis di sekolah?
Yes, I have a French class every day.
Ya, saya mengikuti kelas bahasa Prancis setiap hari.
How about Mrs. Smith?
Bagaimana dengan Nyonya Smith?
Does she speak French too?
Apakah dia juga berbicara bahasa Prancis?
Oh, yes. Both Mr. and Mrs. Smith speak French.
Oh, iya. Baik Tuan maupun Nyonya Smith berbicara bahasa Prancis.